if you want to invest in real estate, you need to be really fast, right? Sometimes the good deals are going to be gone within just a few hours, which means that you really need to put pressure sort of on the broker as well. That would be 4,133 euros, which is really cheap here in Germany, and in Freiburg specifically. The price is a really good price. I definitely want to dig deeper into it. So this department called Stühlinger is actually very attractive. It's very close to the city center, it's close to the university and the main train station. On top of that, the area has a bunch of beautiful cafes, bars, the Escholz Park, and even the university hospital is right nearby. For students and young professionals, this is one of the most desirable places to live. In this case, I found out that there's a parking space which comes with the apartment. That's going to cost an additional 10,000 euros. That's unfortunately a bit expensive, but that's mostly the case here in Germany. In most cases, in bigger cities, you would have to pay 10 to 12,000 euros for a parking space like this. Now, what's really attractive for this apartment as well is that it becomes available and it's sort of empty starting at the 1st of December of this year, which means that once I buy the apartment, and this process takes a couple of months, sometimes 2 to 3 months until I'm actually the owner, that means that the apartment will be empty and available right away, which makes it a lot more attractive for me since I want to rent it out for a decent rent, of course, right? And that also means that it's not rented out already for a very low rent, which is also often the case in bigger cities. You can see the exact street, Egonstraße 89. And the first thing I always do is I go to atlas.immobilienscout24.de, and if you do that, you can then type in the exact address, click on Preise prüfen, and then the system spits out what the average price per square meter is on that exact location. And for this one, this was 5,449 euros. And that would mean that based on Immobilien Scout's data at least, the purchase price or the offering price or the market price rather would be 183,000 euros. However, as we saw already, they're selling it for 140,000 out for now. But you can see already that this is most likely under market, right? And since, as I said, the apartment is already empty or will be empty at the point when I will be the new owner, this is a really good deal. Then the next step, after having done this initial sort of fast evaluation, whether this might be a good deal or not, I of course also have a look at the exact pictures of the apartment, right? So this is what it looks like from the inside. We know that the price is really low actually, and that you're probably buying below the market value. And if you've been looking for properties in the past months and years, you know quite well that finding a deal like this is really good, right?